Yes, people. Another deep on the rock, yeah, boy. Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment in a Jamaica. Pull up a chair and make a reason, man. And the living stand there again. Another day. Yeah. Under some vibes, but yeah. We have to do what we have to do. You know, see it? Yeah, man. We give thanks. We give thanks. People, what does Jamaica have to do with Taylor Swift? How much are we even listen to Taylor Swift music? Yeah? I'm sure say you have some youth, especially some of the women, listening to Taylor Swift on here, but how much are we even know who Taylor Swift is? Well, it turns out that some Jamaicans on here in the BPO sector set out to profit from Taylor Swift. I keep saying Taylor Swift. Why am I saying that? Yeah, man, some youth set out for them some food for Taylor Rasta. Because you know where food I eat, we have to eat our own. Check out this.
We begin this evening with a story that could have dire implications for Jamaica's international reputation and the country's booming BPO sector. It involves a multi-million US dollar illicit scheme carried out by Jamaican BPO workers. Karen Simpson explains.
The Taylor Swift Eras Tour was one of the highest grossing tours of all time, generating a record $2 billion held over 21 months. The demand for tickets was high, and with scammers attempting to cash in, Jamaicans were at the center. This week, 20-year-old Tyrone Rose and 31-year-old Shamara Simmons were charged with second-degree grand larceny, first-degree and fourth-degree computer tampering, and fourth-degree conspiracy. They are accused of stealing nearly 1,000 tickets for concerts and other high-profile events. U.S. prosecutors allege Rose was among Jamaicans employed to Sutherland Global in Jamaica who redirected purchased tickets to the emails of Simmons and another accomplice based in Queens, New York. This happened between June 2022 and July 2023. It's further understood that the co-conspirators then downloaded the tickets and resold them on StubHub at inflated prices, raking in more than $600,000 US. According to US media reports, Rose was apprehended while he was visiting New York and was ordered to surrender his passport. He and Simmons pleaded not guilty when they appeared in court earlier this week. Their next court date is Friday. They each face a maximum sentence of 3 to 15 years in prison if convicted on the top count. StubHub told USA Today on Tuesday that the company identified all orders impacted by the scheme and either replaced or fully refunded the orders. The company noted that it also terminated its relationship with Sutherland Global Services. USA Today further quotes StubHub's legal chief, who stated that upon discovering this criminal scheme, it was immediately reported to the third-party customer service vendor Sutherland Global Services, as well as the Queens District Attorney's Office and Jamaica Law Enforcement. He is further quoted as saying that the individuals who are involved, employees of Sutherland Global Services, exploited a system vulnerability to fraudulently resell tickets. They were swiftly identified and terminated. Kerry Simpson, TVJ News.
Yeah. Yeah, people have to eat food. You know, see it? Right. You think we easy, man. Taylor Swift ticket where they are selling up. We see what I'm going now. We have to change our cooking ways. You know what I mean? The system are going to catch up with way. People, for real. See? Again, let me mention this. Due to Leary, as it turns out, all reports say I'm good, you doing well in school and all of that. Just misguided. Can we say that for him father though? A big man like that shouldn't be misguided. You know, and for him to be in the media defending the whole situation. Yeah, he need to defend the youth What him need for know say him now they on the firing line. Brother, get yourself together. Yeah? You may be raising the youth to do well in school and like you say mannerly and thing. But think about your values, bro. Yes? Just think about that for a second. See? That's all I'm going to say about that. Yes? People, as it turns out, Koffee'a has lost her contract with RCA Records. I don't know what precipitated this, but we've not heard from Koffee'a ever since the last album, which has been 3-4 years now, 3 years maybe. The hit Toast happened in 2019, and did great numbers, did great for the young lady. And basically led to the whole Grammy thing with the EP. I don't know if it's the first that a Jamaican has ever gotten Grammy with an EP. But you know, congrats to her and big up for that. You know, if you can achieve that, it basically show you how empty the space was for a hit song. And so Toast was such a big hit that them could have hardly deny her the Grammy. She was all the rage, you know, racking up, as the numbers say, 50 million on-demand streams in the US alone. To date, Koffee'a has over 500 million streams to her name. But as we know, streams are not really sales. So the money coming off of streams, if that the record company forget for them food out there, it'll go be paltry. You know what I mean? Not bad streaming numbers, but it's not like when we used to sell albums and the record company bid. You know, you're going to have to continue to stream, and apparently Koffee'a has not done anything in the space. Ever since Koffee'a put out that song there with Sam Smith, you know. Yeah, that song there with Sam Smith. See, where Jamaica burn out. You know, Koffee'a walk a road where we obviously not really accommodate too much in our culture. And we see where nothing has come out of significance after that ill-advised foray by Koffee'a. Yeah? Jamaican people are careful, you know, when you're walking down a road, careful not to leave your own culture behind. Because when you leave your culture behind and you establish yourself in other corners, in the corner they leave you, then what you have left. Yeah? We have to really think about our culture when we do music. Yes? Obviously, you want to reach wider markets, you want to scale, and so you have to do music with other flavors and other messages. You know, we have to broaden the message, because obviously what Lyri do I'm going to take him to the level of a Koffee'a success. Yeah? But having done that and starting to walk certain corridors, a Koffee'a, and this is not to say that this is why she has lost the contract, and this is in no way to make light of her losing the contract, because it's another Jamaican artist missing opportunities to carry the culture with them. Yeah? But when we carry the culture, we have to carry the real culture. That's all we're saying. You know what I mean? So, big numbers. This report says she currently boasts 500 million career streams on Spotify, with W featuring the Atlanta rapper Gunna as the highest streaming song that she has. 77 million plays. You know, but every time I hear about these streaming number, these plays, and we think about actual sales, you know, it's like you really wonder if it makes sense. But this is the world we're living in with the music, and we just have to navigate, you know. Hopefully we can bring it back round to where it start make sense again to artists who really know about sales. You know, streams are not sales, and we see the people them where run the streaming platforms. I get super rich. Artists I get points of pennies for the work. Yeah. Expensive undertaking to produce a song. Forget pennies when a man just set up a little platform online and he might make more than you out of it. It's a shame. Yes? But it is what it is. It says here Sony Music acquired 49% in Promised Land Recordings. That apparently is the first label that Koffee'a had signed to, Columbia Records UK, and an affiliate of that. So, given that Sony has bought them out, the whole thing come down where Koffee'a lost out. Hopefully she can regain ground, and hopefully some of our young artists in the space can actually gain from some of these new movements with companies that buy company, things that shift, and you know, hopefully they can attract the ears of some of these executives from these companies. Yes, and we can get some traction out of that. Yeah, man. And that's the thing there, you know. Them drop Koffee'a. And we're wondering where it is going to go from this. But it's not a long video today. We just wanted to talk about those talking points. So like, share, and subscribe. And the Livingston once more. And we have to big up on ourselves. Love, and we out. See him? Blessed.